Thousands of people pass through schools, colleges, and training facilities every day. With such a high volume of traffic, architects need to ensure project durability. To ensure only the most capable and trustworthy woodworking firms can bid for your project, you can specify QCP in your project documents. Any firm that holds a QCP license has passed knowledge and skills tests, giving you an assurance of compliance. Your certified project will even receive a visit from a qualified QCP inspector to confirm that the woodwork meets your specifications for an educational building. There are only 3 simple steps between you and a QCP-certified project. Include specification language in the quality assurance section of your project documents. Register your project to receive your project number. Add your project number to your specs. QCP certification gives your client confidence they'll receive the highest quality interior architectural woodwork.